Welcome back. District Administration of North and South Goa has appealed all the arms holders to submit their details to local police stations. The District Administration will compile a database of arms license holders following a directive from the Union Ministry of Home Affairs. South Goa Collector addressed media on Thursday.
जे लायसन्स आमी दिता आमी पयलीं दिल्ले आसा तांचे सगळ्यांचे डिटेल्स तांचे परमनंट एड्रेस तांचे टेम्पररी एड्रेस तांचो मोबायल नंबर घरचो नंबर हे सगळे डिटेल्स आमी एकठांय करतात ताका करून त्या खातीर म्हाका लोकांचो सहकार जाय म्हणून हांव सगळ्या आर्म लायसन्स होल्डर कडेन मागता की तांणी प्रत्येक जे पुलीस स्टेशन आसा तांच्या हद्दीन त्यांनी एड्रेस बी दिला ते तांकां दिल्ले आसा आनी एक ब्लँक फॉर्म दिल्ले आसा आनी त्या ब्लँक फॉर्माचेर तांणी आतां तांचो जर तर तांचे एड्रेस चेंज जाला तांकां मोबायल नंबर दिवं ना किंवा तांचे ईमेल आसा ते सगळे तांणी ह्या फॉर्माचेर अशें जे तांकां लागता ते फॉर्म तांणी भरून आमकां दिवपाचे.
Collector Furtado has appealed people to get their Aadhaar card linked with the bank to avail LPG cylinders at subsidized rates.
Around 75% direct benefit तांकां लाभ मेळटा. Around 10% आसा तांणी नंबर दिला पूण तांचे खंय तरी चुकामूक जाल्या की तांचे नंबर गॅस कंपनी कडेन एक आसा आनीक बँक दुसरी आसा सो तांणी परत ते बँकाक वचून ते करेक्शन करचें जेणे करून तांकां मेळटलें आनी अरावंड 15% लोक अशे आसा तांणी डिबिटीएल जो आधार कार्ड नंबर दिलो ना सो इफ यू लिंक बिफोर 15 फेब्रुवारी एक तुका 3 म्हयन्याचे पयशे तुजे काडून दवरतले आनी तुका मेळटले 15 फेब्रुवारी जाली आनी मागीर तो गेलो तुका हे 3 म्हयन्याचे पयशे मेळचे ना.
Earlier, North Goa Collector Neela Mohanan has already appealed all the arms holders to submit their arms details to the local police stations. Savio Dice for Prudent.
FC Goa will face a big test in the Indian Super League on Friday when they take on leader Chennai and FC in Chennai. A victory in their second last league match will put Zico's boys in the semi-finals. On the other hand, Chennai are the only team so far to have booked their place in the knockout round of the 8th inaugural ISL. FC Goa have been the most attacking team in the ISL, and after a surprisingly slow start, FC Goa have put up a great fight back to be placed second.
These are the incredible scenes from FC Goa's last home game, which they won 3-0 against Northeast and rounded off their home engagements at Fatorda with 3 consecutive victories. The second place team will now take on ISL leaders Chennai FC in their second last away match. In their previous meeting, which was also the ISL campaign opener for Zico's boys, FC Goa had gone down 1-2 to Chennai in a close contest at Fatorda. The way FC Goa have turned their season around, Zico knows that his boys are capable of winning in Chennai and seal a top 4 playoff position. FC Goa have been the best attacking team in the ISL so far, with most number of shots on target out of all teams. While FC Goa have 107 shots on target, Chennai FC come a distant second with 89 shots on target. However, Chennai have converted 21 goals to top the list, while FC Goa are second with 17 goals scored. There is very little to separate FC Goa and Chennai FC at the moment, other than the 4-point gap between the top and second placed teams. However, a victory for FC Goa will bring down the difference to just 1 point. With FC Goa peaking at the right time, the football crazy state is expecting Zico's boys to extend their winning run and go all the way through. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.